Hi, so we're going to learn how to tighten rollator brakes. It doesn't matter what model rollator that you have. All of the brakes are going to be similar in how you tighten and adjust them. And I want you to see that this rollator currently has no wheels on it. It's just because I'm using this one for parts. So the fact that you don't see wheels does not mean you have to take off your wheels to adjust the rollator brakes. So when you follow the cable down, this is the brake cable, and you'll see these two little nuts right here. So what you're gonna do, they're gonna be on any rollator that you have. And you can use any piece of equipment. So this is a 10mm wrench. You can use needle nose pliers, and you can also use channel locks. I prefer to use channel locks. So you're gonna take the channel locks and grab the top little nut right there. And then with your needle nose pliers or wrench, you're going to take the bottom nut and you're going to turn that bottom nut to the right, clockwise, so righty-tighty. And as you do this, you'll see some space separating between the two. That's what you want to see. And every turn that you make is going to be pulling that brake cable closer and closer, tightening your brake. You would do this in the opposite direction if you wanted to loosen your brakes, if they seem a little bit too tight. Over time, as you use your rollator, these are going to become loose. So it's the most common thing for us to get calls about how do I tighten and adjust my brakes. So at this point, you would go ahead and you would test your brakes, and they're going to make a little bit more contact as you tighten them, okay? You don't have to worry about the one that you see up here, but if you needed to adjust that, you would do the same thing. You would hold with your pliers, your channel locks this one, and then you would turn this one with something smaller in a clockwise direction, okay? But I would always do the bottom one first. This is where you're gonna get the most contact out of your brake, okay? Thanks so much.